What's up, guys? I figured I would add another video yet on the flashlight that just got burnt up. So if we take a look here, you know, I'm trying to figure this out. I'm pretty sure they're diodes. I'm not real familiar with the surface mount components, but they look like diodes, and unfortunately all three of them got burnt, so I can't see the numbers on them. And I'm more familiar with the through hole stuff, so I started thinking the only thing that could have burned them up, it definitely was not reverse polarity, but I thought, test the original cell. I just charged this through the flashlight last night because I can't charge it through there because both of them are heat shrunk together. It says 10,000 milliamp and 3.7 volts. So 3.7 and 3.7 would be 7.4 volts. Now I did contact the seller and I asked him, I said, hey, when these batteries go, can you use single 26650s? And he said yes. So today I got some EBLs in. Finally, since last Sunday I've been waiting for them. These are 26650s. I'm going to charge them up and I'm going to do capacity, the internal resistance, the whole 9 yards, just what I did like with these Sanyos here. But actually I'm kind of afraid to use these. Now I've seen other people use the same flashlight I had with two single 26650s, and I seen them use two 18650s. So with that said, I don't know what happened and I'm trying to figure it out. So what I did was I took my voltmeter here and let me zoom in so you can see what I'm seeing. Alright, let me get the leads. So I'm going from positive to negative, and hopefully the camera's picking that up. You can see it's 4.14 volts, and it just fluctuated from 4.1 to 4.15 volts. So that's two cells together. That cell right there, those two cells have been charged last night in the flashlight itself. And the Sanyos, which is this pack here, that I'm afraid to use in any other flashlight because I don't know. I mean, the voltages checked out correct, everything checked out correct with the meter, and I'm putting this out there for people that are buying the same flashlight, because these flashlights usually came with a an adapter to use these as well as these. With that said, these were at 3.6, 3.59, 3.58, 3.56 volts. So if you add that together, you're getting basically right around 7 volts to 7.2 to 7.4 volts in two of these. Now, the seller said, these are regular 26650s at 3.7 volts. Is that true? I don't know, and that's what I'm trying to figure out. And I want to put this out there for other people, because there are several brands of flashlights on Amazon that are exactly the same thing that I showed you in several videos already. And it pisses me off because I really have no good explanation. There was no reverse polarity or anything like that. The only thing I did come up with, and it's been bugging me all night, is this thing is only charged at 4.14 volts opposed to 7, which might be the case that, the circuit inside that flashlight can't take, 7 volt. I don't know. I just had another idea. What I'll do is I'll take these two Sanyos that actually burnt my flashlight up, and I'm going to put them together in series, and I'm going to put the voltmeter right here. Okay, so I got the two Sanyos together, and they are in series. So positive to positive, negative to negative. And there you go. It's 7.17 volts. Now I'm going to take this battery pack again, and I'm going to show you 4.14. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I took the EBLs out, and I'm going to do the exact same thing. Now, I haven't charged the EBLs at all. So let's see what the EBLs read. I'm pretty sure it's going to be the exact same thing as the Sanyos. So that's in focus. Okay, so here's positive to negative. There you go, straight right out of the package. That's 7.68 volts. So 7.68 volts right out of the package, not even being charged. And these were actually sitting in Chino, California. They come to the East Coast, and they were out in the cold for numerous hours. So these batteries, if, the Sanyos burnt the flashlight out, these are definitely going to burn the flashlight out too. And just for comparison, I mean, you can see, I'll try and get this in focus here, but zoom out. So there you go. I mean, laying them down. So you're going to have a little bit of a difference in length, just because you have a piece of metal going from one end to the other between the cells, but more or less it's the same battery. So I don't understand. I know the seller did say, oh, well, when this pack goes, you can buy another one from us. So are these cells not really 3.7 volts? That's the question of the day.